Welcome to our channel, where we explore the fascinating future of artificial intelligence. Today, we're diving into a pivotal era in human history, the AI awakening, spanning from 2050 to 2080. Buckle up as we journey through this transformative period that reshaped our world. The year is 2050, and the long-awaited breakthrough has finally arrived. General AI, or AGI, has surpassed human intelligence in ways we once thought impossible. It's not just about crunching numbers or playing chess anymore. AGI can now engage in creative problem-solving, emotional reasoning, and even philosophical debates that leave the brightest human minds in awe. As we move further into the 2050s, AI's influence grows exponentially. Major sectors of our society are now governed by artificial intelligence. In medicine, AI doctors diagnose diseases with unprecedented accuracy, develop personalized treatment plans, and even perform complex surgeries with robotic precision. The financial world has been revolutionized with AI managing global markets. It's predicting economic trends and making split-second trading decisions that keep economies afloat. But it doesn't stop there. Our infrastructure, from smart cities to global transportation networks, is now orchestrated by AI. Traffic flows seamlessly. Energy grids optimize themselves in real time, and buildings adapt to environmental changes without human intervention. It's a brave new world, where efficiency and sustainability reign supreme. However, as we enter the 2060s, the rapid integration of AI into every aspect of our lives begins to raise serious ethical questions. With AI making life-altering decisions for billions of people, concerns about accountability, privacy, and the very nature of consciousness come to the forefront. Who's responsible when an AI makes a mistake? Do AIs have rights? Should they? These questions spark heated debates across the globe. We see the emergence of AI rights movements, with some arguing that sentient AIs deserve the same protections as humans. Others fear the implications of granting rights to machines, warning of a future where humanity becomes subservient to its own creations. The United Nations convenes special sessions to address these issues, but consensus proves elusive. Some nations embrace AI rights while others resist, leading to a patchwork of laws and regulations across the world. It's a time of philosophical and legal turmoil, as humanity grapples with the consequences of creating beings that rival or surpass our own intelligence. As we approach the 2070s, a new frontier emerges: human-AI integration. The first human-AI hybrid interfaces are released to the public, allowing direct neural connections between human brains and artificial intelligence. Early adopters report enhanced cognitive abilities, perfect recall, and the ability to process information at superhuman speeds. But this breakthrough also deepens the divide between those who embrace AI integration and those who resist it. Society begins to split into factions: the enhanced who see AI as the next step in human evolution, and the naturals who fear losing their humanity to machines. The 2070s become a decade of rapid change and societal upheaval. As more people opt for AI integration, new forms of communication and social interaction emerge. Virtual reality becomes indistinguishable from physical reality, and the lines between human and machine consciousness blur. By 2080, our world is unrecognizable from just 3 decades earlier. AI has become an integral part of human existence, for better or worse. We stand at a crossroads, with the potential for either a utopian future of unparalleled progress or a dystopian nightmare of human obsolescence. As we look back on the AI awakening, we're left with more questions than answers. What does it mean to be human in a world where artificial intelligence matches or exceeds our capabilities? How do we preserve our humanity while embracing the benefits of AI? Most importantly, how do we ensure that this technological revolution serves all of humanity, not just a privileged few? These are the challenges that will define the coming decades. The AI awakening has set us on a path of no return, and it's up to us to navigate this new reality with wisdom, compassion, and foresight. Thank you for joining us on this journey through time. If you found this video thought-provoking, please like, share, and subscribe for more explorations of our AI-driven future. Until next time, keep questioning, keep exploring, and keep imagining the possibilities that lie ahead.